How to increase the Epic Games download speed. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you experiencing the connection issues or slower download speeds than expected on your launcher? If that is a problem, you can try editing the following file to troubleshoot the issue. So on today's video, let's discuss how can we adjust the Epic Games launcher files to improve the download speeds. To get started with, press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab on your Windows. Now type in %local app data % and hit the OK button, which will open another tab on the File Explorer. This is under which you have to search for Epic Games Launcher folder. Double click on it and then go to the saved folder. On the saved folder, you will see multiple folders. You have to go on the config folder. Again, when you double tap on the config folder, you will see a Windows folder. Tap on it as well, and then you will see a list of text files or the files on it. You have to specifically go for engine.ini. Once you double tap on it, it will either open on the text document that you have set as default folder. It could be the notepad or the Word. Once it is open, make sure to click on OK for any permissions required. Here are a list of commands that you need to paste on the file, which is http timeout section. So you just have to copy it and paste it on .ini and save it. Now relaunch the game's launcher and you will see the changes. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.